Hi, it's Jess from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. It's Sunday, so I've got a haul video for you. So I've got a bit of a charity shop haul with some random things that I picked up, which I quite liked. Now I got this. It's like that sort of wallpaper, you know, that's 65p I paid for this. There's not masses of it here. What is there? About a metre and a bit. But I just thought it could ink it up and it might look nice. It's got a real pearlised effect on it. So I did sort of wonder about how it might take some ink there. And then that might be quite nice to use for pockets and things. Quite liked it. I thought 65p. Let's give it a whirl and see what it looks like. Just yeah. So I liked that. I picked up one of these photo albums, 50p. This is what you buy on holiday. I actually got one a little bit like this from Ibiza, and I made a scrapbook of the holiday in Ibiza that we had. But it's, so you've got these really interesting paper, and you've also got these sheets in between, so definitely worth 50p. Now I'm gonna take it apart and to sort of show. So let's take this little bit of a twig out. That would have been easy if you'd done that in the first place, Jess, wouldn't it? Yeah, quite probably. But for some reason, I chose not to. That could be like a Harry Potter one, that. I don't know that I would actually have a use for that, but you know. So can we pull these out now? Oh look, there was the bit that I could have snipped. There was a bit of me that wanted to try and keep this string because I thought I might use it. But I snipped bits. Mind you, if I'm going to use it, I would probably be using it in smaller bits, so it doesn't really matter that much. There. I thought these would just be nice in the top of tags, maybe. So we took it all. So this should just, yeah, come up now. I'm not sure that I'd use this bit. Pulled it off now. I was gonna sort of see what it's like underneath, but I don't think I'll have much use for that, so I might just bin that bit. Let's take this off. Yeah, definitely binning that bit. It's like corrugated cardboard. So, but I quite like the back cover. So if we cut that in half, and that could be a journal cover. Quite like that bit. Let's get these end bits off, and now we've got the paper, and it reminds me a little bit of the sort of straw paper that Roxy Creations uses, but it is doubled over. Ooh, very nice. So let's take one apart. Just thought I'd show you, and then if you see one in a charity shop, or even you might think it's worth buying one the next time you go abroad on holiday, because I don't think them masses of money in these holiday shops. Well, didn't really want to do that, Jess. I'm being rough with it. But yeah, I could take more time. But I'm on a video, so I didn't want to. Right. Let's just cut that. There we go. So now, I think it's because it's stuck down there. There. So now let's see. Will you open up? And let's see what we've got sandwiched inside. So inside we have that's that bit that was not coming up. There we go. Pull you off. So that's very interesting paper. Could definitely use that. That's a surprise. Wasn't expecting that, but yeah, could use that. Well, and who's bothered about the rips and stuff? It makes it more interesting. And this paper's really, yeah, I really like that. So yeah, that was well worth it. So you get 1, 2, 3 bits, out of each section. So that's an awful lot of paper. Now I like to put these, I have a drawer where I put like photo album sort of vellum. This is actually more like tissue. So I'm going to separate them. I'm doing it now because it's done then. And then I can file these bits of paper somewhere to be used. And then I've got the tissue to be used in something else. Quite nice on the jelly plate actually, this stuff. On the non-shiny side. I might do some nice pulls with that. So nice little watch there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sheets. 10 sheets of this sort of tissue paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I would have guessed it was 10 of that as well, but I wasn't sure. So yeah, and a book, a journal cover. So I think that was well worth 50p. I'd have paid £1. So yeah, quite happy with that. Got bits of string as well. And then I've got some fabrics and stuff. So I picked up this bit of fabric for 65p, just an offcut, but it's rulered, so I quite like that. I thought that would be nice. I thought it'd be nice down the spine maybe of a sewing journal. So yeah, couldn't resist that little bit of fabric. So I've got oodles of fabric and I never use it, so I need to start using it. I've got a nice little doily here. I like these around the spines of books. 50p, can't go wrong, can you? And then I've got this one. I paid £3 for this, which, you know, was a bit of a considered purchase for me anyway, because I'm a cheapskate. But look at this vintage cotton lace. It's just divine. I loved the colour, absolutely gorgeous. So I'll probably unpick that in some way. And then there's some nice bit of sort of linen in the middle I could use for things, but I just thought that was well worth it for the amount of lace. So that's it doubled in half. there, and we've got, shall we measure? Why not, Jess? So we've got 12, so that's 20 inches, that's 40 altogether, and then the same that side, 40, 80, and then yeah, another 12, 80. So that's like 104 inches really. So that's loads. That was well worth the £3. And I got, you know, a bit of cotton fabric as well that I could use. And then my last bit of fabric, I spied this and I really liked it, and it was £10. And I went, oh, that's a lot of money. You know, £3 had me stumbling. Anyway, when I went in about a week or so later, they'd half priced it. So I paid £5 for it. Now, it is a dress. But look at this amazing fabric. And then the end has got, well, I haven't got it on that side, but on this side we've got this. And I just thought that is like the spine of a book, isn't it? And I was thinking of the Royal Journal that well, 2 that I haven't finished, and I thought though that would look so beautiful down the spine of a, you know, a nice Royal Regal Journal. And what an amazing cover would this look like? Just beautiful. And there's enough to make umpteen of them. There really is. And this is gorgeous. So that, I mean, I could try and be clever and do a journal cover out of this, and that be down the spine. That is so nice. So that is my little haul there. Yeah, so some nice fabrics, lacy doily, and yeah, interesting paper from a photo album, and this sort of wallpaper that I got. So yeah, I'll enjoy using those. So thanks for joining me, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Bye for now.